I am Carsten Rossenhövel, CTO and co-founder of EANTC, the European Advanced Networking Test Center. Since its inception a few years ago, SD-WAN has taken up speed quite rapidly. Service providers are maturing their solutions and enterprises are deploying at scale right now. Initially, everybody thought that cost savings would be the major driving factor for enterprises to deploy SD-WAN. But it turns out other factors are much more important, such as centralized management, application policy-based control, zero-touch provisioning, and integrated security. While there are many vendors in the market, there is no single uniform SD-WAN standard. And every vendor is bringing their own strengths and experiences to the game, which could be a routing and switching background, a security background, or a WAN optimization background, just to name a few. Juniper Networks recently commissioned EANTC to conduct an independent test of the Contrail SD-WAN solution. Contrail SD-WAN actually consists of multiple components. First and foremost, CSO, the Contrail Services Orchestrator, which acts as the controller. Additionally, we tested the NFX series Universal CPE platform, the SRX series, and the vSRX, which is the virtual version of the SRX. In the lab, we evaluated the whole service lifecycle from the operator point of view. We basically started from scratch with the installation of CSO on a single server. Then we walked through a couple of the operational workflows and scaled the service to a larger deployment. So the specific workflows we evaluated started with setting up a tenant. Once that was done, we configured the architecture topology in CSO. And then we connected the different sites using zero-touch provisioning to the CPE. Furthermore, we ran tests of the advanced integrated security functions, specifically looking at unified threat management. We evaluated the solution at large scale. And finally, we looked at advanced policy-based routing functions. Contrail SD-WAN did really well throughout the whole session, passing all the test cases that we conducted. One of the highlights was certainly the ability of Contrail SD-WAN to scale to more than 10,000 simulated spoke sites. Contrail SD-WAN also passed our tests of application routing, specifically app forwarding for non-SLA traffic and APBR as well as AppQE for traffic that does require an SLA. As a result, we can confirm that Juniper's Contrail SD-WAN solution is ready to take on today's service provider and enterprise requirements for SD-WAN. For more information, please read the detailed test report which has been published at the EANTC website.